I've got a question for you. Do you have a plan for 2026? And by plan, I mean, do you have a specific set of written goals? Now, don't stop listening. Don't stop watching. If you don't, that's okay. Some of my clients do. They're already ready to go. Some of them don't, and it's okay. It's not too late. I want to give you a thought about if there's only one thing, just one thing that you dedicate yourself to fixing, to figuring out this year. If you've been watching my videos, you're probably going to guess it. It's related to your financials, right? And if you've been watching, you know that I'm passionate about helping owners to get more profitable, to reduce the chaos in their business, and to build sellable businesses. And I would argue that the most, or one of the most important parts of that is having good, clean, explainable P&Ls, balance sheet, financials, right? And it doesn't happen by accident. And at the same time, it's not rocket science. It's not that tough. I figured it out. You can absolutely too. So first couple of years of business, my financials were an absolute disaster, and not necessarily from a profitability standpoint, just a mess, unexplainable, unusable for anything that had anything to do with figuring out what was going well in the business and what wasn't going well in the business. And all of us have a bad month or an off month from time to time. And the difference between having good usable financials, think of your financials as a tool. They should be a tool. The difference between having a bad month when you have unusable financials and usable financials is huge. Because now with good financials, you can figure out what went wrong. You can do some detective work and figure out why things didn't go as you intended them to go. You can do some detective work. You can come up with an action plan very specifically aimed at whatever that problem area is, or whatever that area is that you want to improve. And at the same time, you can look at things that went really well and take away lessons from that. You can ask yourselves, how did we achieve such a great gross profit in this specific division of the business? What did we do well, right? We don't always have to focus on the negative. So again, one thing that you could focus on would be what I did early on. I wanted that peace of mind. I wanted to know what was going on in my business, good or bad. And it included getting my chart of accounts in order. It included setting up a bookkeeping discipline that made sense, so we were consistent with how we were invoicing, how we were booking deposits, how we were recording, when we were recording transactions, so that come the 5th, the 7th of the month, we were able to look at good, usable P&Ls, and not just for the company, but at a job level. So it starts with a couple of easy steps. If you have any questions about this, or maybe you already know what to do, maybe you've already got great resources behind you, maybe you've got a great bookkeeper, maybe you've got a great CPA, and you already know what to do, but you just haven't created the urgency in your business to take action, then I want to challenge you, get started today. If, on the other hand, you need some help getting started, book a call with me. Even if you're not interested in a coaching engagement right now, or maybe not ever, book a call with me anyway. I would be happy to get on a short call with you and get you started, give you some action items to take the first steps to make this a reality in your business. Thanks for watching, and Happy New Year.